Power amplifier, no sound. Why? Because this is a power supply of a power amplifier. Like you see, a lot of capacitors here are bulged or naked. This protection is removed because of the temperature. Temperature dissipated from transistors. You see here. Here it's a radiator, and the heating is spread around. And also you have power resistors here. You see it's a lot of dust, which is reducing the airflow. Also you see somebody before was working here. Like you see, it's a lot of soldering points, but it's done in not a good way, like you see. So what we will do, we have to replace all these transistors. This is not original. These two diodes here, 12 volts, Zener diodes in series to produce 24 volts Zener, should be replaced also. So this is one reason why the amplifier is not working. So stay tuned.